Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to model this 3D block. So let's get started. Let's work with the front plane. .45 corner rectangle, .25 distance here to here, 10. So let's trim out here. $125, $42.5, $45 minus 8. So we have this. So let's offset this down reverse direction, offset of 20. So let's make here construction, so we can extend the line from here down here. Escape. Now let's close up this contour. Now let's extrude. Click on this contour, direction 1, mid plane, distance of 80. So simply click on this drop down, click on sketch 1, extrude, select on this contour, make it thickness of 40. So let's sketch on this face. Diameter of 40 is 25. Now let's extrude. Let's use blind, reverse direction, up to surface, select on this surface. So I have this. Now simply click on this drop down, click on this sketch, click on extruded cuts, close this, selected contour, delete my sketch here, and select on this contour, and I have this. Now click here, click on extrude, click on this contour, delete this, blind, selected contour, I delete my sketch 2. So I have this, my thickness 8, thickness of 8. So let's sketch on this face, center line, circle, sketch here, diameter of 17. Now let's mirror this. mirror entity to mirror this circle, mirror about my construction line here. Now let's extrude cut. So we have this cut. Now let's change the appearance. Click on part. Okay, let me click on face. So we have this Ctrl 7. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.